sollten die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Prada Luna Rossa Sport, a men's fragrance. But before I get into that, I just want to mention my fragrance of the day, and that is Calvin Klein's Eternity Parfum. This is just an exceptional fragrance for the price. $50 Australian gets you 100 ml of something that smells warm and rummy. Look, I wore this today when I went out for coffee, and I work with some pretty discriminating women. They'll be the first to let you know that something does not smell good or that something smells good. So I trust their judgment implicitly. And I quote, one of my co-workers told me that this smells delicious. I'm purposely putting this in front of my face like that so it distorts it. But yeah, she said that this one smells delicious and she could smell me from over there, wherever she was standing. So I trust this chick's judgment on this one. So to my nose it smells fantastic, to her nose it smells fantastic. I just think that, you know, this is a really good bang for your buck fragrance, and if I had like some sort of Aussie Marcel 2022 fragrance review awards or something like that, this would be near the top of the list in terms of what you get for how much you pay. The fragrance itself is just decadent. It's so good for the price that you're paying, and it even gives Bentley Intense a run for its money with a similar sort of DNA. So on to Luna Rossa Sport. Look, I'll be straight up and say that I prefer this to Luna Rossa. Luna Rossa is a very good, clean men's fragrance. It's fresh, it's lightly floral, it's sophisticated. It's a gentle, soft fragrance, super safe, smells good, and yeah, super safe. It has like this sophisticated sexiness to it. You're gonna get compliments when you're wearing this one just because of how sophisticated it smells. But after smelling Prada Luna Rossa Sport today, look, I was going to unbox it and give a first impressions of it, but my old man really wanted to give this one a try, so you can't say no to the old man, you know. Here's Luna Rossa Sport, and here is Luna Rossa. $80 for 50 ml. Not the best value, I've got to say, but it is infinitely more appealing, to my nose at least, than just Prada Luna Rossa. The vanilla in this, the lavender, it's just next level. It has, you can definitely tell that it's a flanker of Prada Luna Rossa. Of that, there's no doubt in my mind. But this one, Sport, is just a significantly better fragrance. I mean, when I was with the old man, he sprayed it on his hand as soon as we left Chemist Warehouse, and like, we came back here a few hours later and that was still going pretty strong. So performance is definitely an improvement over the original Luna Rossa's DNA. Just want to point out something quickly, guys. If you're going to buy a fragrance, particularly in person, it doesn't hurt to lash out a little bit and buy a larger quantity bottle. It'll typically be better value. Like Dior Sauvage, for instance, the 200 ml bottles are better value than the 60 or the 100 ml bottles. 200 ml, you know, you probably will never use it all. Maybe you will with Dior Sauvage, to be fair, with the amount of compliments you'll be getting. But yeah, just keep that in mind. You know, now that I think about it, Prada Sport smells like a much better quality, much more sophisticated Dunhill Desire Red. I don't actually think it's called Dunhill Desire Red, it's just the one in the red bottle. I just, you know, want to separate it from the other Dunhill Desires. But yeah, Dunhill Desire, this is a significantly classier version of that. Yeah, sophisticated, complex, clean, little musky, vanilla, lavender. This is a bloody fragrance that you're going to want to add in your collection. $80, it's pretty pricey for 50 ml of the fragrance, but when something smells this good, when something is going to get you this many compliments, when something is going to turn heads in such a positive way, Prada Sport, 50 ml, $80 at Chemist Warehouse. Maybe it's a fragrance worth checking out for you. Anyways, if you've ever worn Prada Luna Rossa Sport before, let us know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. Actually, let us know what your thoughts are on the Luna Rossa line in general. You know, I think it's perhaps a little overrated. Luna Rossa Carbon is overrated, that's for sure. Luna Rossa is very clean and sophisticated, but you know, it's pretty average. But Luna Rossa Sport, that is a fragrance worth picking up. So let us know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.